Hello and welcome back to Mr. C's Biology. Today we're looking at the second part of the required practical. The first part, you'll remember, was random sampling. If you haven't seen this, please watch the video first. For this second part, we're doing not random sampling, but along a transect, along a line rather than comparing two grids. So for this, we'll need the same equipment and we can be studying the same species of plant, but rather than comparing two areas, we're going to look at how one area changes as we move through it. So for example, there might be a tree at one end of a field. And we want to see, are there more dandelions closer to the tree or further away from the tree? Does it make a difference how close they are to the tree in terms of whether there are more dandelions or fewer dandelions? And so in this case, rather than using a grid, we're actually just going to use a line. And along this line, we're going to put our quadrat down at regular intervals. If we did it at random intervals, then actually what would happen is we might miss some by being random. So by being regular in this case, it means that we cover the whole area and we can see the change from closest to the tree to furthest away from the tree. And at every point, we put down our quadrat and count how many dandelions there are inside it. And that way, we don't want to get a mean, but we can get an overview of how many there are. Because of competition, it's likely that there'll be fewer near the tree, and as we move further away, there might be more and more in your quadrat. That's it for the second half of practical today. If you haven't seen the first half, link is in the description. Any questions? Comment them below. See you next time.